Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable restricted mode on the YouTube app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app if it's not already open, and then you want to select your user profile icon in the bottom right, and then select the gear icon that then will appear in the top right corner. So go ahead and left click on that. Underneath account, select general, and then on the right side, scroll down under restricted mode. So if restricted mode is toggled to the right, meaning it's on right now, just left click inside the oval one time and turn it off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.